A very pleasant evening to all of you. I, CA Kalpana Thakur, welcome you all on our 48th episode of Friday Fleet, an initiative of women empowerment. We have started this initiative on 11th August 2023. Here we conduct session every Friday on self-help as well as technical topic. And today's session is one of the much awaited session on our platform from the time of WOFA. I got the opportunity to interact with our today's esteemed speaker, Vidhi Modi, in WOFA. And from that time, we are trying to get time in her calendar, and we appreciate her effort and enthusiasm in saying yes in spite of her busy schedule. I would like to mention that just before the session, she was in Australia attending the seminars and conferences over there. Thank you so much, Vidhi, for making time for us. All of you are here to know about the intricacies and how Vidhi made it when it comes to accounting and outsourcing international transactions and businesses. I'll not take your much time because all of you are here to listen to our esteemed speaker. I would like to invite our moderator for today's session, CA Harshali Salvi. She is chartered accountant and one of the core member in our Friday Fleet group. Over to you, Harshali. And like other
Thank you so much.
participant, I am also
Yes.
excited, Vidhi, to hear you.
Right. Thank you so much, Kalpana ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to introduce our special guest, Vidhi Modi, whose story is not only inspiring but empowering as well. She's a Australian chartered accountant by profession, but she's Indian by heart. So Vidhi began her international journey back in 2016 when she moved to Sydney to pursue her higher education at one of the Australia's top university. She is also founder of Pinnacle Advisor with a clear mission to make top quality accounting services accessible and affordable for small businesses, bookkeepers, and tax agents. I will not tell more about Vidhi ma'am, so she will tell her story in her words, in her voice. We are eager to listen her story and her journey from moving abroad and navigating a new beginnings and building a thrive business and making a meaningful and impacting it. So please join us and giving a warm welcome to our speaker Vidhi Modi.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kalpana ji, Harshali. Thank you so much for the kind words. Really appreciate the invite. So yes, before I go ahead, I just want to let the audiences know that yes, I did meet Kalpana ji initially at WOFA in New Delhi at the end of January, and after that, I was invited for another webinar by a very good mutual connect, and that's how she kind of, I believe, got to know further about myself and what I do. And I really appreciate the patience she had because I was traveling. I was trying to figure out which days work for us. And I really appreciate it. Thank you, Kalpana, for following up again and again. Thank you, Harshali. You've been very kind on the group. She has been coordinating with me since last 14 days about what should we talk about, what are you comfortable with. Tell me more about yourself. And she has actually gone into the R&D phase. So thank you both
Yes.
of you very much. And again, good evening, everyone, to all the audiences here who are here on a Friday evening to hear about me, to know more about myself. So thank you so much. I really appreciate. And quickly before we continue, I have got few WhatsApp messages on the group, different groups, and they have been like, "Can we attend? Is this only a women's session? Is it only for ladies out there?" So I just want to speak about it, that it's just so nice that even men are interested in knowing about the experience that people have internationally. I believe this has changed tremendously since last 10 years, which is amazing. So yes, thank you. Thank you so much for the introduction. Yes, to start with, so Harshali, do you want me to start with, or are we waiting for someone else as well for more people to join, or do you want me to just start with my introduction?
I think we are good to go. So, first of all, we would like to know about yourself, how means where you born and brought up, and how your education is going was
Correct.
good.
Correct. So my education, so little bit about myself is that I am born in a traditional Gujarati family. My mother, she's a Maharashtrian and my father is a Gujarati. So I was born in a typical middle class family, born and brought up in Mumbai. And my early days were like I completed my bachelor's of commerce from Mumbai University. After that, when I was studying for my bachelor's of commerce, I was very much inclined towards accounting in general. So let me put it out there that my father had a small business then, and I remember that every night after work, I would rather sit with him and talk about प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस आप कैसे बनाते हो, आप कैसे डिसाइड करते हो कितना वेजेस किसी को देना है, आप कैसे डिसाइड करते हो कि फिक्स्ड एसेट में क्या जाना चाहिए, how do you decide, and we used to just have these general conversations which led me to initially decide that yes, accounting is for me. So yes, my early days were studying accounting, with a bachelor's of commerce qualification from Mumbai University, and that's where my base, I would say, in accounting was formed. I also worked very early on in my career as a receptionist. There was a very boutique clinic very close to my house. So that time also my job was to make sure that I do the calculations, prepare the bill and give it to the client. So I think so that was my early days for my bachelor's. Before, I would say, before the journey to Australia kind of took place. So yeah. Harshali, you're in mute.
So, how was your initial life in Australia as a when you went for the international education as an international student? So, how was there your life?
Right, right. So let me take you a little bit uh, before journey of how Australia initially came into place, and then definitely we can talk about how was my life. So like every other bachelor of commerce student, we always think about that what is next after bachelor's of commerce generally. So when I graduated from Mumbai University, my next bet was what is next, and that's when Australia came into place. I did a lot of R&D, a lot of research and development about which college would suit my budget, which college would suit me in terms of local support, in terms of what I can actually afford in terms of staying away from the family, whether there are any opportunities in that country if I want to settle there, or if I want to come back, then what would be the the benefits of studying there and then coming back to India, and that's how Australia came into place. I did my masters of accounting at University of New South Wales, which was one of the top 8 Australian university at the time I enrolled, and it was number one. Sorry, it was in top 50, somewhere around 35 or around 40th position in accounting and auditing, which gave me the confidence that yes, it ticks all the boxes, and going to that university would also uh, lay a good background for myself back in Australia. So that was a little bit of a pre information about how Australia came into place. Now, coming to your question, yes, I would request everyone, yes, to ask as many questions as you guys want. Definitely, I will take up the questions as and when, we move ahead with the topics. But please feel free to ask as many questions as you have. Um, so, yeah, so that's how Australia came into place. Now, coming to your question, Harshali, how was my early life in Australia? It was a pre-COVID life. I started my journey 9 years ago. We are in 2025. I started in 2016 when I first traveled to Australia. So, like every Indian family, I'm sure all of us can very strongly relate to from, coming from a middle class background that when I decided to travel to Australia, before that, none of my family had ever been to Australia. We have never been outside even Mumbai for that matter. So, when we as a family decided that I would go to Australia, the initial life Harshali was as simple as that every day my journey was literally counting the Australian dollars into Indian rupees. Wherever used to go, I used to go for grocery shopping. If I was to go to public transport, I used to go out for a movie with my friend. So there was this automatic calculation of, oh, how much would that cost me in Indian rupees. So, so yes. To start with, and I think about it now, it tells me that it's very important to have a very strong base. आप कुछ भी करो, whether you're in India or you are in Australia, you have to have that strong base. So yeah, so my early days in Australia were very fascinating. Away from home, which was exciting initially. Um, I was responsible to do everything, about taking care of the house, budgeting, working, studying as a student. So I would say the initial life was very exciting, budget friendly, and just meeting so many people. I met people from China, I met people from USA, I met people from UK. I met Australians, obviously. I was in Australia, so initial life was very good, very exciting.
Nice to know. It was very exciting to know that the पिलर मीन्स जो एक बीज होता है वो आपको फादर के बिजनेस से आपको मिला कि यू आर कीन टू नो अबाउट द फाइनेंशियल यू कीन टू नो अबाउट द अकाउंटिंग एंड also start your own business, right?
Right.
So one thing I want to know about the for the beneficial of the participants, that do you think that outsourcing and offshoring of accounting and taxation has scope as of now, or what do you think about in the perspective of Indian chartered accountants, as how can we start? Do we need some skill sets or any recognition of any institute to start this practice, or how we can do this?
Correct, correct. So Harshali, before I tell you a direct answer, अगर participants को थोड़ा background मेरा पता है in terms of मैंने क्या किया है, तो it will help them in understanding what I'm going to say next in terms of outsourcing, offshoring opportunities.
Yes.
So I can only talk from my experience because मैं वहाँ पे रही हूँ, 6-7 साल रही हूँ, तो मैं अपने experience से connect करके वो answer
Yeah,
I would
sure,
like to give.
definitely.
So when I initially, like I said, connecting to my early days, I feel very, grateful enough that I got a job in my own field. So after completing my semester one, I got a job in a very boutique accounting practice. एक छोटा CA firm था locally ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जहाँ पे मैं रहती थी, और वहाँ पे मुझे एज अ पार्ट टाइम जूनियर अकाउंटेंट का जॉब मिल गया था. So that was my base, wherein I actually was living there, I was working there, I was studying there. So जो मैं study कर पा रही थी वो मैं apply कर पा रही थी, as simple as articleship जो हम इंडिया में बोलते हैं, that any chartered accountant student needs to have a 3 year of articleship period. So that was good for me, and after that job, different opportunities came in, like going from part-time junior accountant to full-time junior accountant to intermediate accountant to senior accountant. So that was my foundation. क्वालिफिकेशन वाइज मैंने बैचलर्स इंडिया से किया, फिर मैंने मास्टर्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया से किया. उसके बाद जैसे हमारे वहाँ है ICAI, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया, इन द सेम वे आई डिड माई चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी फ्रॉम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड न्यूजीलैंड, विच इज सेम एज ICAI. पहले वो था इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया. After it got merged with New Zealand, it is Institute Chartered Accountants Australia and New Zealand. So after that, I also did one more examination, studied for one more qualification, which is registered BAS agent. So in Australia, you need to compulsorily have a license to lodge tax returns on behalf of the clients that you're representing to the ऑस्ट्रेलियन गवर्नमेंट, जैसे हमारे वहाँ इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट है, वैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ऑस्ट्रेलियन टैक्सेशन ऑफिस है. So I also got that qualification. Simultaneously, Monday to Friday, I was in a full-time employment. After coming home, I was to study for my chartered accountancy exams, and on the weekends, I was also working as a freelancer. तो फ्रीलांसर का मतलब है कि मैं बहुत सारे इंडिपेंडेंट स्मॉल बिजनेसेस, अगर कोई कैफ़े है, कोई सैलॉन है, कोई हेयर ड्रेसर है, कोई आईटी इंडस्ट्री में है, कोई डिसेबिलिटी इंडस्ट्री में है, जैसे एज्ड केयर्स है, मैं उनका पूरा बुक कीपिंग करती थी. बुक कीपिंग मतलब सिंपल एज दैट, हम लोग टैली में जो बैंक रेक करते हैं, बिलिंग करते हैं, पे बिल्स का काम करते हैं और फिर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस बैलेंस शीट बनाते हैं, तो वो मेरा काम था. So now to connect with that experience, I in 2022 took a bold decision of moving back to India. COVID के बाद, that decision was two-faced, where I thought that staying close to my family in India would be a good thing long run because my parents were aging at that time. Secondly, मुझे लगा कोविड के बाद जनरली अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड लोगों का एक्सेप्टेंस बढ़ गया है रिमोट वर्किंग को लेके, जो पहले नहीं था. आप देखो वर्ल्ड वाइड के स्टैटिस्टिक्स को ले लो तो फिर मैंने सोचा दैट राइट नाउ इज द गोल्डन पीरियड, राइट. माय रेसिडेंसी इज इन पाइपलाइन हियर इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. आज नहीं तो कल, कल नहीं तो 2 साल बाद आई विल गेट इट. दिस इज द गोल्डन पीरियड फॉर मी टू ट्रैवल बैक टू इंडिया, return to my roots and see what is the market in India. So now coming to your question, that when I came here for another 2 years, I actually was working with an accountancy practice based out of South Bombay, which is a old legacy business or a CA firm. They were 6 to 7 partner and all of them एक simple CA firm जैसे इंडिया में होता है कि आप ऑडिट भी देखो, आप टैक्स भी देखो, आप GST देखो, आप लिटिगेशन देखो, तो उनके मैंने इंटरनेशनल टैक्स टीम में काम किया 2 साल. तो जब उनके टैक्स टीम में काम किया तब मैंने समझा कि अगर मुझे आउटसोर्स करना है तो इंडियन कल्चर क्या है, वर्क कल्चर क्या है, इंडिया के अंदर अगर हम लेते हैं तो क्या क्या हर्डल्स हैं, क्लाइंट क्या देखते हैं जब वो इंडिया में काम भेजना चाहते हैं, अगर इंडिया में गवर्नमेंट क्या सपोर्ट दे रही है आपको, सो मैंने यूएसए, यूके और ऑस्ट्रेलियन मार्केट के को वो समझा. वो ही मेरा जॉब था जब मैं मुंबई में थी, दैट आई वाज अंडरस्टैंडिंग if I get work done from India, how will I get it done? And that was my foundation to build my own startup. So talking about my startup, we are 1.5 year, to be more precise, 1 year, a year old startup, services business firm. और हम क्या करते हैं, simply to put it out there, I am the solo founder of Pinnacle Advisors, and what we do are 2 area of services relating to your question. We do outsourcing and we do offshoring. Simple as that CA firms जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है, जो बुटीक CA firms है, I'm not talking about big 20, I'm not talking about big 4, I'm not talking also about big 100. As per Australian accounting practices, Australian accountancy, purely Australian based and Australian owned accounting practices, I'm talking about those very boutique Australian accounting practices where I have worked, and that is my base, to do something where I can leverage my experience, my hard work, my qualification, come back to my roots, set up a business here, services business, and cater to those clientele, right? Now, number one, your question in terms of what is the scope of outsourcing and offshoring. My question would be, what is your experience, right? So for me, अगर कोई मुझे कल बोले कि आप मुझे इंडिया का कंपनी टैक्स रिटर्न करके दो, तो I was like, oh my god, I need to do the hard work. Why? Because I'm not qualified here, I've not worked here. So to put it simply out there, number one, are there outsourcing opportunities available? Yes. Is it easy? No. Why? People will often look at it that, oh wow, we are getting hourly dollar rate, oh wow, हम इंडिया में तो ऐसे भी एडवाइजरी में पैसे नहीं है, तो चलो कंप्लायंस में तो इतने ही मार्जिन बनता है, आप 2000 से ज़्यादा चार्ज ही नहीं कर सकते. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मुंबई मेट्रो सिटी. I cannot comment on other places. I am talking about Mumbai, where I am from. एक बेसिक नॉर्मल सोलो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट 2000 के ऊपर, वो भी सिंपल सैलरी टैक्स रिटर्न, ये मैं बोल रही हूँ गुड क्वालिफाइड with 10 to 15 years of experience, he is not able to earn more than 2000 rupees per tax return, right? Now yes, there are players in the market who offer those services at a premium. They have, you know, high profile members, but uska bhi percentage kitna, 5%, 10%. I'm talking about general scope, right? So then they consider that, okay, let's start something which everyone in WOFA was talking about, and they were like, chalo USA में जाते हैं, UK जाते हैं, Australia जाते हैं, you know, let's do something which has never been tried and tested, or something which is out loud, you know. And I had ample amount of conversations. I won't lie, and I'm sure Kalpana ji would relate to this. वो 2 दिन इवेंट के बाद आवाज़ बैठ गई थी, क्योंकि 48 आवर्स में अब 16 घंटा सोने का निकाल दो, 32 आवर्स वॉज नॉन स्टॉप टॉकिंग. एंड बिकॉज माई फील्ड इज समथिंग विच इज ऑस्ट्रेलियन अकाउंटिंग, तो सब लोग यही पूछ रहे थे कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द फ्यूचर, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द फ्यूचर, यू नो. So like I said, to put it simply out there, yes, there is a market. Is it difficult? No. Third, is it lucrative? I think अगर मैं एक कंसल्टेंट के जैसे सोचूं और एक फ्रीलांसर के जैसे सोचूं, तो yes, I'll be able to make comparatively more money to serving to Indian clientele. लेकिन if I talk about scalability with having an added costs in India, आप फर्स्ट टायर सिटी जाओ, सेकेंड टायर सिटी जाओ, आप अगर उसका स्केलेबिलिटी सोचेंगे कि मैं 10 लोगों को 20 लोगों की टीम डाल के और काम लेके आऊँ, so then the first entry barrier would be that any client out there would be talking about, आप जैसे 100 है, आप क्यों? Simple, you know. People are talking about lovely things, that let's do this, let's do that, the fancy words, you know, let's synergize together. Simple as that. What is your USP? फिलीपींस का पूरा मार्केट भरा हुआ है और फिलीपींस के बहुत लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आ रहे हैं. मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बारे में बात कर सकती हूँ, मैं वहाँ से हूँ. They were like, why do we give to you? Why should we give it to you in India? Number one, we need to have English communication as the base. You need to understand what we speak. Number one, I'm not saying कि ऐसा नहीं है, मैं कर रही हूँ तो ऐसा है that we are very good in English, definitely. But they are expecting that in terms of writing, in terms of listening, in terms of talking, and in terms of interpreting, right? Independently. That is number one, communication. Second, दे आर लाइक कि अगर मुझे भी ज़ेरो सर्टिफिकेशन का कोर्स ऑनलाइन जाके अगर वो कोर्स करके मुझे हायर करना है, तो फिर हम तो किसी को भी हायर करें. ज़ीरो सर्टिफिकेशन का कोर्स जो सब कर रहे हैं, तो फिर मैं व्हाई एम आई हायरिंग यू विथ, राइट? थर्ड थिंग दैट दे टेल यू, दैट पीपल फील वेरी फैंसी कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, यूएसए में, यूके में आवरली बिलिंग होता है. बट फिर वो आवरली बिलिंग में आर यू एबल टू मेंटेन द टाइम शीट्स एक्यूरेटली? 4 घंटे का कमिटमेंट क्लाइंट के पास है, 4 आवर्स इंटू 5 विच इज़ 20 आवर्स अ वीक. 20 आवर्स के कमिटमेंट में आपको क्लाइंट बोल रहा है 85% आपका आउटपुट क्लाइंट की तरफ होना चाहिए, राइट? 85% आउटपुट, यू नो, लेट मी टेक इट सिंपली 20 आवर्स इंटू 80, 16 आवर्स आप क्लाइंट के लिए काम करो. 4 घंटा डाउन टाइम में हम समझते हैं, आप रिप्लाई करते हो, आप ट्रेनिंग करते हो, आपका काम रिव्यू होता है. 16 आवर्स में से हर एक क्लाइंट का बजट दिया कि अगर फॉर एग्जांपल विधि मोदी का टैक्स रिटर्न करना है और उसमें सिर्फ सैलरी इनकम है, तो उसको आधे घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. अगर आधे घंटे से ज़्यादा की हो रहा है तो यू जस्टिफाई देम. दे वुड से कि चलो 2 महीना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, 2 महीना तो सीख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है. बट आपके पास क्लाइंट फेसिंग नहीं है, तो क्लाइंट की क्या क्वेरी है वो फॉर्म के पास आती है, वो फॉर्म हमें देते हैं, यू नो. सो अगेन द पॉइंट इज कि वो 1 घंटे का पर आवर रेट बहुत प्यारा लगता है सुनने में. Oh wow, it's an hourly rate. But the point is that when you talk of scaling it up, are you able to prove and maintain the hourly rate with the issues that we have in India? Someone is going for maternity leave, you know, someone is getting married. आपका initial 3 से 4 महीना तो वो इंसान को ट्रेनिंग में जाएगा. Not that he or she is wrong or bad. I'm talking in terms of that is a high pressure to deal with when it comes to client. नाउ सेकेंड ऑप्शन लोग बोलते हैं कि लेट्स नॉट गो इनटू आवरली, चलो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट कर देते हैं, ठीक है. तो अभी फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट में आपके पास 5 हेड्स ऑफ इनकम है, तो फिर आप उसको जस्टिफाई कैसे करेंगे, आप उसको स्केलेबल कैसे करेंगे? अगर आपको क्वांटिटी काम आता है तो आप क्वालिटी कैसे मेंटेन करेंगे? 1 साल आपने बिजनेस कर लिया, 2 साल आपने बिजनेस कर लिया, 3 साल कर दिया, आप स्केल कैसे कर रहे हो? यू नो, सो दिस इज व्हाई आई से दैट इट इज डिफिकल्ट to for someone with a complete with no base. Now this is very different to bigger firms or mid-sized firms जिनके एग्जीबिशन स्टॉल्स थे बड़े बड़े या mid-sized firms के इस वोफा में. कंपेरेटिवली उनके लिए एस्टैब्लिश करना कंपेरेटिवली ईजी है. क्यों ना? उनका ऑलरेडी इंडिया में बेस सेटअप है, उनके पास ऑलरेडी रिसोर्सेस है, उनके पास ऑलरेडी स्टाफ है. वो एक दो तीन क्वालिफाइड चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को भी रख देंगे तो भी वो बेसिक रिव्यू काम कर सकेंगे. यू नो, so yes, there are opportunities, but it's not as straight road as it seems. There are a lot of ups and downs, there's a lot of analysis. The clients out there are very straightforward, whether you go to USA, you go to UK, you go to Australia. They are very professional. They want to get done. If they tell 9, it has to be 9, it cannot be even 9:05. So अदर प्रैक्टिकल इश्यूज हमारे इंडिया में बहुत छुट्टी होती है, जो अच्छी बात है, राइट? आर कल्चर इज दैट वी आर अ मल्टी कल्चरल कंट्री. बट मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया की बात करूँ, आज फ्राइडे, गुड फ्राइडे है, तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आज से छुट्टी है. अभी डायरेक्टली उनको छुट्टी अक्टूबर में मिलेगी, पब्लिक हॉलीडे. They will directly have a public holiday once in June for the king's birthday, and then in October they have an Halloween. उसके बीच में उनकी कोई छुट्टी नहीं है. There is no public holiday. उसके बीच में भी हमारी जन्माष्टमी आएगी, हमारा ये आएगा. हाउ डू आई मोटिवेट माई एम्प्लॉयज दैट नो, यू लीव योर फन विथ योर फैमिली, लीव योर कमिटमेंट्स विथ अ फैमिली एंड वर्क फॉर एन ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्लाइंट? Yes, they would if I'm willing to pay them huge salaries, but अगर मैं starting का setup cost ही high कर रही हूँ मेरे startup phase में, so then how how will it work in the long run? You know. So yes, so not sounding negative or not sounding demotivating, but I'm telling that what are the harsh or day-to-day realities that we all don't talk about. कोई ये बारे में कोई बात ही नहीं करता है. अच्छी बात सब करते, बुरा क्या है? सबको करना, ये करो. Obviously, there are huge market, but these are the issues. How do we first tackle these issues if we are going with a no base? अगर अभी मैं कोई मिड साइज अकाउंटेंसी प्रैक्टिस जो इंडिया में है, आई कैन नॉट नेम देम आउट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट, आई नो लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज, बट इफ आई टाई अप विद देम, yes, I can scale it up. But then the point is, कितना हाथ में मेरे बचेगा? If I do a partnership with them, again, many questions to be answered.
Definitely. So you talk about zero certification and output, and you talk about the reality कि पानी सिर्फ उतला उतला दिखता है, जब उसके अंदर पैर डालेंगे तब पता चलेगा कि गहराई कितनी है. सो
हाँ.
कितना गहरा है, एंड यू हाउ यू कैन उसमें स्विम आप कैसे कर सकते हो. So we know the reality, and that's why you are here. We bring you here to know the reality of the thing. So Kalpana ma'am, you want to ask something or you want to share something,
Yes,
please.
I'm having a question. So,
Sure.
as Harshali rightly mentioned, that वो सतह पर का till this time, before hearing to Vidhi, I'm sure most of us was only thinking about वो rosy picture. But Riddhi made us realize that what it actually means. Taking this point, considering this point, let's take example of me. I'm someone who is in traditional practice apart from my training, practicing in India. If I decide, पता है विधि की problems है, you have mentioned, but if I want to start, as per Vidhi's experience, what are the checklist I had I have to tick off to take the first step?
um, I think so. The bare minimum. So this is a very good question. So the bare minimum, number one, is to have clarity. And when I say clarity, is what is it that you eventually want? So let me give an example. Now, do you want to have a business where you have like 10 people, 20 people working under you? Or do you want to have a business where you just are working by yourself, or you have maximum 2 to 4 people to help you? तो वो एक क्लैरिटी आपको हेल्प करेगा, नंबर वन एक ये, राइट। उसके बेसिस पे हेल्प करेगा सेकेंड स्टेज ऑफ इट इज दैट if you're venturing outside in any other geography other than India, then do you have any experience of working under anyone in that area? Whether that can be, whether that can be USA, that can be UK, that can be Australia. The only reason I have or I had the confidence, I still am a little. I was sweating. We Pinnacle Advisors had an exhibition in Sydney recently. I pitched also about my business. तो वो वहाँ तक जाने का एक कॉन्फिडेंस ये है मुझे कि मैंने 6 साल काम किया है, ऑनशोर काम किया है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में। टचवुड वो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस था कि अगर कोई कल कोई भी सवाल आता है, तो उसको मैं टैकल कर सकती हूँ। क्योंकि मुझे माइंडसेट पता है, मुझे कल्चर पता है, मैं यहाँ पे रही हूँ, लोगों से कैसे बात करनी, एग्ज़ाम्पल आई नो दैट, दैट वाज़ माय विनिंग पॉइंट। तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन, एक नंबर 1 क्लैरिटी, सेकंड एक्सपीरियंस, कौन सी किस में एक्सपीरियंस है, और थर्ड एक्सपीरियंस होने के बाद आपको वो कंट्री के बारे में जनरली कितना नॉलेज है, राइट। नॉलेज इन द सेंस के लेट्स ब्रेक इट डाउन, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का जो पॉपुलेशन है वो इंडिया मुंबई का पॉपुलेशन है, ठीक है। तो उसके अंदर अकाउंटेंट्स है, तो अकाउंटेंट्स की क्या करंट सिचुएशन है, कितने अकाउंटिंग फर्म्स है, तो वो R&D फेज जो कंट्री में आपको जाना है, क्या बैरियर्स है, कैसे करेंगे उन्हें, एंड देन इज योर USP, राइट। अगर मैं एज अ फ्रीलांसर एग्जाम्पल काम करना चाहती हूँ, एज अ कंसल्ट, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू एवरीवन लिसनिंग टू मी, वो है, राइट। तो फिर व्हाट वुड बी माय प्लेटफॉर्म, मतलब मेरा USP क्या रहेगा, राइट। अगर मैं, मेरा स्पेशलिटी क्या है, लेकिन अगर मेरा विजन है नंबर 1 एक पे मुझे स्केल करना है, मुझे मुझे अच्छे लोग चाहिए मेरे काम, आई वांट टू स्केल इट अप, तो फिर मुझे क्लैरिटी चाहिए दैट ओके देन ओनली एक्सपीरियंस वोंट बी हेल्पफुल, आई नीड टू फैक्टर इनटू अदर फैक्टर्स कि इंडिया में इन्फ्लेशन क्या है, राइजिंग कॉस्ट कहाँ पे है, फर्स्ट टायर के सेकंड टायर सिटी। अगर मैं बैकवर्ड, देयर इज वन वर्ड व्हिच आई कंप्लीटली फॉरगॉट, ऐसे बैकवर्ड कैलकुलेशन जो आप करते हो, ये जानने के लिए कि अगर कुछ भी पैसा नहीं आया फिर भी मेरा मंथली फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट क्या है। So such questions are, I feel, these are the basic steps you need to be careful about.
If Harshali will allow me, I'll ask one more question.
Sure,
Yes,
sure.
sure.
Vidhi, in terms of certification, uh, you have mentioned about having the experience. If someone is not having the experience, exploring to know what the market dynamics are. We are receiving a couple of questions in the chat box as well. After this, we will take those. So only with the Indian Chartered Accountancy degree, we are good to move ahead. One, this thing, and apart, जैसे India में we are mostly majority players are comfortable with Tele. What is your take on this? अगर हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया की ही अभी के लिए बात करें, तो is someone who is in India working on Tally, is the synergy possible, और या फिर मैं कुछ एकदम इम्पॉसिबल सी बात कर रही हूँ, वेरी हम जो कहते हैं ना लीमन लैंग्वेज में, सो लीमन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट वी आर आस्किंग एंड
Okay,
what you would like to say.
right. Again, two answers to one question, right? Which I touch based earlier as well. Um, so I would say honestly, if on the scale of 1 to 10, अगर टैली का स्कोर है 6 on 10 एग्जाम्पल इन टर्म्स ऑफ यूजर फ्रेंडलीनेस, navigation, zero is 9 on 10 from my experience, my understanding. In terms of understanding, if tally is, say for example, cash book में जाओ, trial balance में जाओ, navigation, if वो 5 या 7 के बीच में है तो 0 9 में है. In terms of real time reporting, and in terms of advanced technology with the help of AI, अगर tally का latest version भी 5 on 10 है मेरे नज़र में, तो वो 9 on 10, right? Now this, sorry, yeah, okay, correct. So this is the situation. Now, the other flip side, this was what I told in terms of my understanding. Zero certification, also to answer your question, is very easy. I would be very honest, it's very easy. इंडियन चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट या इंडियन बुक कीपर जो अकाउंट्स लिखता है बहुत ईजी है. आप सेल्फ पेस्ट भी जाके कर सकते हैं, राइट? व्हाट आर द कॉन्स?
Question about this.
Yeah, correct. So what are the yeah, correct. Yes, Jyoti, so I'm talking about zero certification. So there are two ways. Let's go to that first. So there are two ways in which you can do the zero certification. One is a self-paced course, जहाँ पे आपको वन बाय वन टैब, हर एक टैब का क्या मतलब है, हर एक प्रोसेस का क्या मतलब है, हर एक वर्ड्स जो उन्होंने वहाँ पे यूज़ किए हैं, जो टैब है उसका क्या मतलब है. उसके बाद आप एक क्विज दो और आप सर्टिफिकेशन आपको मिल गया. दूसरा एक है कि आपको सेल्फ पेस्ट भी नहीं करना, तो आप ऑन द स्पॉट दो कुछ उनके एवरी मंथ वेबिनार्स होते रहते हैं, आप लाइव वेबिनार अटेंड करो, दो फिर क्विज दो, यू आर डन. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस इन थ्योरी. अभी प्रैक्टिकल आप मुझे बताओ कि प्रैक्टिकल में इंडिया में, ओके, नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रैक्टिकली, बोल रहे मैंने थ्योरी, प्रैक्टिकल अबाउट इंडिया में, राइट? अभी जीएसटी की बात हम कर रहे हैं, तो इंडिया में एक रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस का अगर मैं कर रही हूँ, एक रेस्टोरेंट कंपनी है, उसका मैं टैली में अकाउंटिंग कर रही हूँ, तो उसका अकाउंटिंग जीएसटी के हिसाब से बहुत अलग होगा कंपेयर टू समवन जो एक फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी है. एग्जाम्पल, उनका सीजीएसटी, एसजीएसटी, आईजीएसटी इज डिफरेंट. ठीक है, उनकी एक्सपेंसेस हेड अलग है, इसके एक्सपेंसेस हेड अलग है, कंपनी है, पार्टनरशिप है, डिफरेंसेस है. वैसे ज़ेरो जो ऑस्ट्रेलियन रीजन है, ज़ेरो जो यूके रीजन है, ज़ेरो जो यूएस रीजन है, वो तीनों अलग है, और वो तीनों अलग बनाए गए हैं क्योंकि तीनों का अलग टैक्स रिजीम है. तीनों के अलग, जैसे हमारे वहाँ पैन है, वैसे वहाँ पे टीएफएन है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, टैक्स फाइल नंबर. हमारे वहाँ परमानेंट अकाउंट नंबर है. एट द सेम वे हम लोग को कंपनी रजिस्ट्रेशन का नंबर है, जीएसटी इन है, वैसे वहाँ पे एबीएन है, ऑस्ट्रेलियन बिजनेस नंबर करके. तो उन सब के टर्मिनोलॉजीज ज़ेरो में अलग है. ये अभी आपको पता ही नहीं चल सकता, आप मास्टर भी हो गए फिर भी अगर आपने काम ही नहीं किया, तो फिर अगेन द पॉइंट इज कि समझ भी नहीं आएगा आपको. आप ज़ेरो समझ गए, लेकिन कल एक क्लाइंट है, क्लाइंट ने 10 इनवॉइस इशू कर दी और वो 10 इनवॉइस में क्लाइंट क्रेडिट नोट मांग रहा था, आप क्रेडिट नोट बना देंगे, पर फिर क्रेडिट नोट के अंदर डिस्काउंट भी है, तो जीएसटी पे आप कैसे करेंगे, यू नो. सो टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, जीओ सर्टिफिकेशन बहुत ईजी है. क्विक बुक्स उससे कंपेरेटिवली मेरे नज़र में डिफिकल्ट है. एमवाईओबी करके एक सॉफ्टवेयर है, वो भी कंपल्सरी, दैट इज ऑल्सो कंपेरेटिवली, आई फील फ्रॉम माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग दे आर मेकिंग इट ईजी. एमवाईओबी क्विक बुक्स is comparatively difficult in terms of functionality. Sorry, Kalpana, have I answered your question?
Yes, yes. So we can start. Basically, apart from this zero certification, chartered accountant. So basically, all the participants, those are here um, to hear you. We can start. Basically, that's what. Obviously, अभी जो हम पिछले 40 मिनट से we were discussing, keeping those things in mind. Certification, a separate certification as such is not needed. We need the exposure and the knowledge of the market, how things work out. So let's take questions from the chat box.
Yes. We have a question from Meenakshi. So, from where to get the clients? Evidence certification we have, but after the certification, we think we need some experience also, that how to get all the things. As we have, as Indian chartered accountant, we have done this thing in articleship. We got some experience in those things. So, this will be completely new thing for us. So that experience thing will also come in a way, but we should answer the question is from where to get the clients, and also there is any online platform to get the experience or get yourself educated. For example, one wants to get the returns. So how
Interesting.
would you like to?
Yeah, interesting. Everyone wants to know where to get the client from. Good question.
Yes.
Practically and very honestly speaking, like I said, that because my base was Australia, um, I'm all my ex-employers where I've worked. Because I was working, I have completed 150 plus ad hoc consultancy projects in my independent capacity with 5+ star reviews. तो उनके अंदर के जो clientele है, उनके connects. Say for example, I'm helping Harshali with her work. So Harshali will recommend it to Kalpana ji. Kalpana ji will recommend it to Gitanjali ji, and then they will tell 10 people, oh, I know someone, Vidhi, she's really good at it, and she understands our problem well, so मैं अपने experience को connect करके बोलूँ, so I think so for me, like I said, my base is Australia. That has helped, my work and my experience has helped. But talking from that perspective, that if I'm local in India, if I want to get work, यस, बहुत सारे फ्रीलांसिंग पोर्टल्स है, फ्रीलांसर है, और 2-3 है, आई फॉरगॉट द नेम, नॉट गेटिंग द नेम ऑफ टॉप ऑफ माय हेड, बट ये सारे जो फ्री, लाइक आई सेड, राइट, टू थिंग्स अगेन, दैट number one, ek, yes, there are online platforms. I will definitely get back, later on with the list. I have a few of them, but again, you have to be very sure in terms of the quality of the work you get, in terms of the credibility. uh, बहुत फ्रॉड होते हैं, आई नो माई सेल्फ, बहुत फ्रॉड होते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ फ्रीलांसिंग पोर्टल्स में. नाउ देन द क्वेश्चन इज, तो क्या करें हम, हमने ज़ेरो कर लिया, चलो हमने कोई कंपनी में काम भी कर ली, I would strongly recommend, number one, ek, Gujarat is a hub for outsourcing. Gujarat, Chennai, Noida, Gurgaon. Noida bhi nahi, Gurgaon, I would say. Go, if people who are here can have the benefit, can do have that time, do have that, I would say, availability in terms of getting an experience. पहले आप वहाँ जाइए और वहाँ पे आप actually as an employee काम कीजिए. नंबर वन एक है. तो पहले तो आपको पता चलेगा दैट हाउ डू यू कम्युनिकेट विद देम, आपको पता चलेगा वो कंट्री का कल्चर क्या है, आपको पता चलेगा कि कल कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन कैसे करना है उनके साथ, पता चलेगा कि हमारा कल्चर और उनके कल्चर में क्या डिफरेंस है. तो एक आपने ये कर लिया और उसके बाद जाके आपने फ्रीलांसिंग पोर्टल पे काम किया. ऑब्वियसली टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. आप कोई स्कैम नहीं है, आप पे काम किया, तो एटलीस्ट आपका फाउंडेशन कुछ बना. उसके बाद एज सिंपल एज दैट, व्हाट हैज हेल्प मी, आई वुड टेल यू एग्जांपल. I met so many people like Kalpana ji, and today she invited me for this session. And the same way, so many, I've been getting so many messages after that call that, hey, let's stay in touch. And now after 3 months, because the Australian financial year is closed, which is 30th of June, I've been getting a lot of calls internally in India who wants to set up an entity in Australia. Simple. So वो क्यों हुआ? Because I did a lot of networking. I'm going to all the events. I'm talking to everyone. I'm telling everyone, this is what I do. This is what my experience is. वो मेरा USP है. So आप भी आप clients कैसे करने हैं उसके पहले आप थोड़ा इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करके आपका USP क्या है. Like my question is, हर गुजरात में जो market, I'm very honest about it, and with due respect to everyone from Gujarat or anyone across India, गुजरात में जो काम होता है, आप कॉस्ट उनके साथ टक्कर ही नहीं ले सकते. दे आर सो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव सर्विसेज, ट्रस्ट मी, so cost effective services. Then the question to the client out there would be that, if you are affording me the same price, then why would I come to you? I would rather go to a company in Gujarat who has a legal base in Australia, who has a setup in India in terms of data security and IT infrastructure. Again, the question is, what is your unique selling point? सो वंस आप वो कर लो, आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिल जाए, जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में आई रिस्पॉन्डेड टू द सेम टू कल्पना जी. कैसे क्लाइंट्स मिलेंगे आपको रेफरेंस के थ्रू मिलेंगे. पर वो रेफरेंस जाने के लिए भी यू नीड टू हैव सम वर्क. You can go to my website, you can read the testimonials, pinnacleadvisors.com, with a double S. आप वहाँ पे जाएंगे तो मेरे टेस्टिमोनियल सेक्शंस में देखेंगे, तो वहाँ पे मैंने कौन सी इंडस्ट्री को सर्व किया है, मैंने क्या काम किया है, मैंने कितने टाइम में काम किया है, मैंने कहाँ से काम किया है, आप सब कुछ देख पाएंगे. सो वो अगर कल्पना जी कल आ रहे हैं और वो सोच रहे कि मैं विधि को क्यों काम दूँ और मैं हर्षाली फॉर एग्जांपल उनको काम दूँ, तो शी विल दिस आर द डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर्स, राइट? बट वो मैं आई कैन नेवर थिंक ऑफ हैविंग पिनिकल एडवाइजर्स अनलेस एंड अनटिल आई हैव दैट बेस। सो द क्वेश्चन इज, आपका बेस बनाने के लिए आप या तो एज एन एम्प्लॉय काम कीजिए, ज़ीरो सर्टिफिकेशन लेके कुछ नहीं होगा, आपको प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर चाहिए, आपको क्लाइंट का काम चाहिए करने के लिए। थर्ड, आपको आपको वो लोकल एरिया की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, और आपको नॉलेज कैसे होगी जब आप रिसर्च करेंगे। और फोर्थ, नेटवर्क 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 नेटवर्क। In my personal life, I don't like talking. I don't think a lot of people would believe I don't like talking. But when it comes to my work, I have to go out and I have to talk. There is no other way for me to getting work. Simple as that. Even though I was extremely poor when I went to Australia, extremely poor with my English, I worked very hard on my English. And now with an Aussie, Australians को Aussie बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई अभी मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में थी 1 महीने के लिए मार्च में, एंड काफ़ी आउटसोर्सिंग प्रोवाइडर्स थे इंडिया से ही. दैट वाज अ फनी स्टोरी. काफ़ी, और आई वाज इन द स्टार्टअप फेज, and there were few firms who were based out of Gujarat and based out of Chennai. They were there also. उनका भी एक stand था. So Australian clients आए, हम spoke, you know. So also the culture in Australia, इसके पहले 5 मिनट वो लोग सिर्फ नॉर्मल बात करेंगे. Hello, how's the day? So tell me more about yourself. I'm not giving my card. I'm not telling about my services. I'm not telling him कि भाई मैं ऑस्ट्रेलियन सी हूँ, मैं उसके बारे में जान रही हूँ, मैं उनके बारे में जान रही हूँ. और फिर वो लोग मुझे पूछते, hey, tell me what do you do at Pinnacle, right? Now again, there would be some people जिन्होंने हमारे तरफ देखा भी नहीं. They were like, we don't know what Pinnacle does, you know. तो वो रिजेक्शन भी था. बट माई पॉइंट इज कि वो अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो मुझे पता ही नहीं होता अगर मैं ऑस्ट्रेलियन कल्चर नहीं समझती. अगर वो 5 मिनट तो सिर्फ बात करेंगे कि उनका आज का दिन कैसा जा रहा है, उन्होंने क्या लंच में खाया, क्या क्रिकेट चल रहा है, फिर वो लोग मुद्दे की बात करेंगे, हाँ अच्छा भाई अब चलो आप बोलो आप क्या करते हो. लेकिन एक इंडियन होगा तो वो सबसे पहले ये बात करेगा, अच्छा आपके प्राइजेस क्या है, यू नो. तो वो माइंड सेट समझने की जरूरत है. अगर मैं किसी को वोफा में मिल रही हूँ, राइट, तो मैं वोफा में इसी तरह से बात नहीं करूंगी कि हे टेल मी हाय हाउ इज द डे गोइंग. वो बात नहीं करूंगी मैं, क्योंकि हमारा कल्चर ही अलग है. पर मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अगर किसी को मिल रही हूँ तो मैं वैसे बात करूंगी क्योंकि मुझे पता है उनका कल्चर कैसा है. तो आई फील, Meenakshi, I've gone a long way, I thought, but I hope I was able to give you a detailed explanation. So yeah.
So I would like to know your experience. How would you advise to a female CAs to shift their focus to entrepreneurship from running a traditional CA practice? Would you like to suggest? Would you like to give some advice on this?
Correct.
To moving into the entrepreneurship, if they think.
Correct. So yes, sorry. So you're right, Harshali. It is up. Correct. वो वेबसाइट का नाम है अब. Right. Right. Sorry. Before that, is everyone able to hear me clearly?
Yes.
I think
Harshali,
I
can
think Meenakshi.
you
uh, from
I think
last
there is
couple of minutes,
some.
I was thinking there is a problem at my end.
hear me
Yeah, I was also think that the problems. I think it's a series and some network issue. Vidhi, are you there?
Harshali, can you hear me clearly?
No, we are
No,
not.
there is some network issue.
So by the time Vidhi joins us back, I encourage all the participants to post their question, or while discussion, you can unmute yourself and ask.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Anshuman, you're
Yes.
audible.
Uh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am has said, I'm a fresher chartered accountant. I have cleared in May 24, and now I have started my own practice since my father was in the same tax consulting practices. So, if anyone as a fresher want to gain the offshore accounting or want to start its career from a fresh, what are the first steps what we would take to, is it only certification works, or we should take some ma'am has done the Australian chartered accountancy, or we should also apply for that, or only certification works?
As per my understanding, we will take Vidhi's opinion on this, but what we can say, taking the summation of what we have heard, what Vidhi has shared her experiences. First, having the clarity, Anshuman. It is so is Vidhi back. So we are happy to know that you have recently started your practice and now you have the clarity. So Vidhi,
Hello, hi. Can you hear me? Hello, Kalpana, can you hear me?
yeah, now it is proper.
Yes.
Kalpana, can you hear me now? I can hear everyone.
Okay, okay. Yes,
Yes,
now
Vidhi,
we
we are
can
okay.
hear you. So, Vidhi, we got a question from Anshuman. He has cleared his CA in May 24 recently, and he has started his practice. He's taken ahead his father's practice basically, and as a fresher, if he wants to start doing Australian, Vidhi, are you with us?
I can hear you. Yes.
So his first question was about the certification. Only, I think the question I have asked, it is in line with the same. Only his concern is of the he is fresher, and do he need to do the certification Australian CPA or any of the country he want to serve. So we would like to hear you on that. Anshuman, I hope I have ask your question. That's what your point, that's what you have asked, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm so sorry. Sorry. So Kalpana, if you can just reframe the question for me. There was just some network issue there. I think so. I'm in the stable network now. If you can just explain.
Can you switch off your video, Vidhi? Because again, your voice is breaking. Unmute yourself. You're on mute, Vidhi.
Sure. Just give me a minute, if you mind, if you don't mind, Kalpana.
Yeah.
Sorry for the
This meeting is being recorded.
small demo.
So by the time Vidhi joins, first having the clarity. Yes, Vidhi is back.
Sorry, my
Ma'am, there is one more question. You have experience in doing the practice, and before that, I was working in a corporates. After clearing my articleship, I have worked with the corporates also. But
I've also worked with corporate. I was
yes,
for 5
ma'am. So there
years.
is one point I'm facing in the after joining the practice that if any of the clients comes in Indian practice and here like as a if you have a lesser experience in practice you आप कोई भी क्लाइंट को पकड़ लेते हो और मतलब जो भी काम आपको आता है फर्स्ट यू फोकस ऑन द grabbing the client and then serving them. Ma'am, how to deal with the scalability? Because sometimes what I face is that by doing everything myself and फिर ऐसा लगता है कि ये तो जॉब ही हो गया है, काम दिन भर काम ही हो रहा है, तो उसको उस चैलेंज को कैसे फेस करें कि डेलीगेशन ऑफ वर्क एंड क्वालिटी को मेंटेन करते हुए हम अपने जूनियर्स को कैसे अलॉट करें, ये डिफिकल्टीज अभी आ रही हैं.
Very good question, Anshuman. What I will share with my own experiences, as you have mentioned, starting May, any client comes to us as a new practitioner, what we do, वो कहते हैं ना, अगर मैं इसको हिंदी भाषा में को आती हुई लक्ष्मी को ना नहीं कहते, we say yes, and that's what happened in our practice as well. Initially, irrespective of the size, nature of the business and the work. Yes, Vidhi is with us. Um,
Yes, Kalpana, my apologies. There has been some sudden breakdown in the internet issues, because of which I'm unable to connect to the network correctly.
Yeah. So one question was Anshuman having on Indian practice. So I was sharing my own experience. I'll just conclude in next 2 to 3 minutes.
Sure.
So what Anshuman, you have to decide. Again, I'll go back to the point where Vidhi started. Even in terms of when we are talking about Indian practice, having the clarity. 5 years, 10 years down the line, जो एक यूएसपी की बात करी है विधि, ये दिस वर्क्स इन इंडियन प्रैक्टिस एज वेल. स्टार्टिंग में आई विल नॉट से टू पिक एंड चूज कि मुझे ये काम करना है, मुझे ये काम नहीं करना, बिकॉज देर आर सम फिक्स कॉस्ट है ना. अभी इफ यू डोंट हैव योर टीम, वी नीड सम टेक होम अर्निंग, राइट? सो taking the work and approaching for the new clients with the right resources. It is my experience that through the paid channels, like one of the examples is Just Right. वहां से जो मुझे क्लाइंट आए हैं और उनका जो रेफरेंस आया है, दैट इज ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट थ्रू जो वो होता है ना, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, कोई फैमिली से, कोई फ्रेंड से, आपके नेबर से जो आ रहा है. जिस तरह के आप क्लाइंट अभी एक्सेप्ट करोगे, द रेफरेंस यू विल गेट फ्रॉम देम उन्हीं के कैलिबर का. So this you have to decide at this level. And And now what we are doing now, 2017 was the year when me and my husband started his practice. I've joined him in 2019. Now is the time now where we are curtailing. No, we don't have to continue this. So initially have the clear mindset and approach through the right channel. Attend the seminars, not only in CA community, outside the CA community. और जैसे कि चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स हो गया, हर स्टेट के अलग अलग कमिटीज होती है, बी देयर. As Vidhi was also mentioning in terms of offshore practices, she is grabbing every opportunity. भी हमारे seminars होते हैं, जो भी programs organize होते हैं. So from there you will get the good leads. And एक USP का अभी से, this is very right time. This I'm telling you from my own experience, and as rightly mentioned by Vidhi as well that having your USP, what specialization you want कि 4 साल 5 साल बाद अगर कोई अंशुमन को जाने तो किस, अगर से फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं डायरेक्ट टैक्स का नाम ले रही हूँ तो कौन सा नाम आप सभी के दिमाग में मोस्टली आ रहा है? आई एम श्योर इट इज गिरीश आहूजा सर, राइट? सो दैट type of mindset and clarity we want. Now, I hope I've answered your question, and going back as our speaker is back. So the first question, Anshuman, is still unanswered, and I want Vidhi to answer it. Anshuman, please ask that question again.
Okay. Ma'am, my question was, since this question arises, I have few clients from the Australia also, and I do the I file the ITR filings of those clients. And there is one of my clients is working in the accounting firm in Australia. And when I asked about the what are the chances of the offshore accounting and all, she said that first thing, if you want to grow your clientele in here, they only they need some kind of the qualification you have. That's why I asked whether that certification works, or we do also pursue if I want to start my practice like in offshore accounting in Australia. Then do we apply for the Australian Chartered Accountancy, or only certification works?
Hmm. Hmm. So no, good question. Actually, very good question, Anshuman. So firstly, nice meeting you, and glad that you are
Thank you
able
so much.
to get the most of it. Now let us break this down into two areas, right? If you can just allow me for a minute, I have actually joined two screens, one from my laptop and one from my phone. So I'll just make sure that I'll just talk from the other screen. So just allow me a second. Yes, correct. So to answer your question, Anshuman, number one, okay. So definitely studying for CPA Australia or CA ANZ, Chartered Accountancy qualification is good, right? लेकिन अब यहाँ पे ये चीज है, राइट, कि एक होता है कि आप जैसे यू सेड दैट योर सिचुएशन इज दैट यू आर अ बुटीक अकाउंटेंसी प्रैक्टिस, आप इंडिया में हो, आपको इंडिया का सब पता है, आपको नए फील्ड में वेंचर आउट करना। अभी आपने इसको दो एग्जांपल्स में लेट मी डिवाइड। वन इज कि आपने चलो सीए भी पढ़ लिया वहां का। अगेन द क्वेश्चन इज अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू हैव अ मेंटोर और अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू हैव अ मैनेजर, आई एम टॉकिंग इवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ आई एम श्योर यू हैव अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस, लेकिन अगर आपको एक ऑस्ट्रेलियन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी प्रैक्टिस के साथ काम कर रहे हो उनके अंडर, एग्जाम्पल कि आप ऑप्शन टू यू आर वर्किंग एज एन एम्प्लॉय फॉर अ कंपनी who gets all the work done from an Ahmedabad based CA firm, वो आउटसोर्सिंग में काफी सालों से है और अभी उनके पास अच्छा क्लाइंटल है, और आप सीपी ऑस्ट्रेलिया सी ऑस्ट्रेलिया कर रहे हो और उनके एक्चुअल क्लाइंटल का सारा काम आपको करने मिल रहा है, आपका मैनेजर भी है जो आपको बता भी रहा है कि ये राइट है कि ये रॉन्ग है। तो एक मुझे लगता है मेरे नजरिए से कि दैट इज गुड, बिकॉज आप जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हो आप पढ़ाई भी क्लियर कर दोगे। मैं लिख के दे रही हूँ, इंडियन सीए अगर आपने कर लिया है तो आप कोई भी सीए की एग्जाम वर्ल्ड वाइड क्लियर कर सकते हो, वो मेरी गारंटी है अगर आपने इंडिया की कर लिया तो, विच आई रियली लव, बिकॉज अगर आपने इंडियन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कोर्स इज रियली वेरी डिफिकल्ट outside India, it's not. But then the outside world focuses more on work experience component. So yes, definitely CA, लेकिन फिर वो सिर्फ आप घर पे बैठ के या अपने फर्म से बैठ के करेंगे तो उसका फिर अगेन वो जीरो सर्टिफिकेशन के जैसा, unless and until you work wherein someone who's been in the industry and who can sign off the logbook and everything for you and tell you that, yes, Anshuman, you have actually gained this experience, understanding, then that would be good. I think so. Also, a lot of other areas, a little different to a different way of looking at things, I'll tell you, in a different way is, say, for example, now you already have an Australian client. You already are working for them. So, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता. Right? आपको पता है, आप समझ भी पा रहे हो, logic भी flow हो रहा है, technology भी fine है. Here comes that there are, say, for example, different types of services in Australia, like how do you do an incorporation versus how do you lodge a BAS, which is a quarterly GST return, versus how do you lodge a year-end income tax return. What you can do, Anshuman, is you can take the work from the client, do the work in which you are a specialist. In the other things, get a referral fee and pass it on to someone like me, example, or another accountancy practice who's doing good there, right? And be involved in thorough client communication. What we'll do is, आपको पता चलेगा कैसे काम होता है. एक वो तरीका है, like example, right now after WOFA, all the inquiries, there are a lot of chartered accountancy practices, even in Ahmedabad, whom I provide consultancy services to, because that is not what they know. They might be knowing Xero, yes, they might be knowing MBioB, but they can go on Google and understand how do you do an incorporation of a company in Australia. But say, for example, there is a concept of Division 7A loan. अभी उसका एग्जीक्यूशन कैसे करना है वो मुझे पता होगा, क्योंकि मैंने वहां पे काम भी किया है, मैंने पढ़ाई भी की है. So then आप क्या करते हो, Anshuman? You recommend the client, hey, I'll get done everything. You do what you are you're good at and pass on the rest of the work, and still say that I will be the client, or I'll be in the client facing role. You get it done for me, I'll talk to the client, or else you can only talk to the client via me. I'll be the connecting link. Is what I think would be a good way to make the most of it. Yeah, I hope, Anshuman, I've
Yes, yes.
answered the question.
Yes, ma'am, you did it. Because when I was talking with that client about the Australian income tax returns or the Australian accounting purposes, she said me that few of the clients may ask you about the qualification, because if you say you are an Indian chartered accountant, then they don't consider you because they want a Australian chartered accountancy. Even I have applied uh, uh, through the institute, which is New Zealand and Australia. They provide us for the Indian Chartered Accountant some exemptions also, and where you have to only give the few exams. I have also applied for that. So that's why I asked these questions, whether focusing on the client and getting the services, because since I'm like before clearing chartered accountancy, I was handling my father's business of tax consulting. I think what if you clear, the only difference makes is that you have a valid qualification, because before, if you are working the if you are pro because if we are in a consulting, how the way you consult and the way you satisfy your client matters more than the your qualification. Because before that, my father was hired some chartered accountants, or they have some chartered accountant in association with whom they get their work done. But that's why I asked this question, whether preferring giving your time in learning new certifications is good. Like in chartered accountancy, we have to read it fully. And if I will be pursuing the Australian chartered accountancy, तो उसमें भी पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसे तो है नहीं कि बिना पढ़े होगा. So instead of focusing on studies, I asked this question, either I focus on the work, or I should focus on the studies. That's why I asked it.
Correct. No, so Anshuman, rightly said. Again, the question is here that I'll give you an example. So very early on, when I started on, right? So I got a very big inquiry from a very big corporate in India. They want to understand how the transfer pricing works when you want to when you have an entity in Australia as well, right? So I helped up everything from start to end regarding how to set up an entity, quarterly compliance. The client is still with us. We do everything in house. But now when it comes to transfer pricing in India, मेरी specialty नहीं है उसमें, right? So then what I do is I don't try doing something that I don't know. I would rather give it to an expert. And I would say that, hey, you look into it. Obviously, we can talk about referral fees because then it's business, right? And that's how you help the client. Now you leave that association between you and the other person. Like, abhi, for example, मैं किसी को पहली बार मिल रही हूँ, I would love to be the face. because I don't know the other person. But if I have built a very good communication, and say for example, I've met Kalpana ji in WOFA, so I know her. We have built a connect, we have built a rapport. Then I don't mind, whether that third person being directly involved with client dealing, right? But then the point is, how do you want to represent the client, right? Is client someone who just wants one person as the face of the whole engagement, or is the client friendly enough, accommodating enough to have more than two faces or one faces? That is up to you to understand, and your experience would, I'm sure, वो client के साथ एक बार बात करके पता ही चल जाता है कि client कितना फंसी है, client को क्या चाहिए, क्या उसको comfort देगा, because उसके testimonials के basis पे ही वो आपका base होगा, right? So also, I learned from my mistakes early on, don't provide what you're not good at. It simple. आपका ट्रस्ट जो है, आपका जो गुडविल है, यू आर पुटिंग दैट ऑन स्टेक. जो चीज आपको पता भी होगी, फिर उसमें भी द क्लाइंट वुड बी लाइक, ओ आई डोंट थिंक दिस कैन बी डन फ्रॉम हर, सो या.
Thank you so much.
So in short, we feel confident about what we know, what we have, right?
Correct.
The confidence give us the client, right?
Correct.
We have a question. Anshuman, I think you got the answer of all of your queries.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question from Raj Lakshmi. What could be the current cost of doing CPA Australia by going to Australia, and how it's easy or it is difficult?
Good question. So again, I know a lot of people in my personal connect directly from CPA Australia New Delhi office. I'm representing one of their events in Australia as well at the end of this year. I'm in very good connect with a lot of people from CPA Australia. Happy for me to share my number. Kalpana ji, feel free to share my number on the group. Whoever wants to get in touch with me directly. Just because I don't think I'm the right person to comment about anything related to a big organization like CPA Australia, and because I have known them very well, I would suggest I can get you in touch with the right person who is working there, who is taking care of the admissions, who is the head of admissions, and she can give you all the information about what should be the cost, time frame, exemption, application, examination, semesters. Secondly, CPA Australia website has all the information, right? But one thing I think, as accountants, हम देखते हैं, one feedback or the closing statement would be कि हमारा cost benefit ratio क्या है, right? अगर आप CPA ऑस्ट्रेलिया से इंडिया से कर रहे हो और आप उसकी ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर्स में फीस पे कर रहे हो, तो वो एट दिस स्टेज क्या आपके करियर में ऐड कर रहा है वैल्यू. अगर आप रिमोटली इधर से हो और आप नहीं काम कर रहे हो डायरेक्टली ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्लाइंट के लिए बाय एन एम्प्लॉयमेंट और बाय direct, maybe you might be working directly like Anshuman is working, तो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि आप कॉस्ट बेनिफिट एनालिसिस करो इंटरनली कि वो आपके लिए मस्ट है, मे बी मस्ट है, बट मे बी एक साल के बाद, नॉट नाउ, यू डोंट नो. सो doing that understanding, doing that cost benefit analysis, and then understanding the basic requirements from CP Australia. Sorry, Rajalakshmi, I don't know, I might have not been able to answer you directly, but feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp, and I'm happy to redirect you to the correct person who will be able to formally give you all the information.
Thank you, Vidhi. That is helpful. I'll take the number from later. Thank you.
No worries, all good.
The number is
We
given.
will like to, yes, we will like to share her number in our group. So here is a link if you are not a part of our community, so you can join us there. In between, I have myself a question to you about the culture of Australia. कि कैसा होता है वहां पर, क्या चीजें होती है, लाइक यहाँ मीन्स इन इंडिया वी मोस्टली सीन दैट कि जो लॉ में लिखा होता है या वट एवर इज द इंस्ट्रक्शन दैट आर typically little bit different from the practicality. So how the things are there in Australia? जैसा वहां पर लिखा हुआ होता है या what are the things written there, are they वैसे ही flow out होती है या that are something different? Like for example, I want to मैं क्लियर, माई क्वेश्चन मोर क्लियर, यहाँ पर सिर्फ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट चाहिए, इसलिए मैं आई एम आस्किंग दैट क्वेश्चन कि हम जब कैलकुलेशन करते हैं, आईटीआर की भी कैलकुलेशन करते हैं, सो वी आस्क क्लाइंट कि आप टैक्स कितना पे करना चाहते हो, देन वी डू द रिवर्स कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द इनकम. Am I right? Am I right? So we want to know, I want to know basically about that.
No, I
Would
really
you like to put some light on that?
correct. No, so a lovely thing, Harshali. So I understand what you're trying to say, because before going to Australia, I used to work very closely with my father's chartered accountant, and I used to sit down with him and understand. And then मुझे पता है मेरे पापा सवाल पूछते थे. फिर जो generally the circle I knew at the time, all of them had this question that sorry, there seems to be some disturbance in the background.
Shadi, I'm giving the host right. You can mute. I think there is some problem at the yeah, now it is.
Perfect, great. Yeah. So to answer your question, right? So let me put it simply out there, okay? So number one is that out of 100% of the people, 98% or more are taxpayers, right? Because अगर आपका tax return नहीं होगा तो loan नहीं मिलेगा, और वहाँ पे 98% लोग loan पे रहते हैं. As simple as it can be. Understanding Australia from its base, understanding US from its base, UK from its base, most of these countries लोन पे चलते हैं. मैं जनरल पॉपुलेशन की बात कर रही हूँ, राइट? उनके लिए कंपलसरी, अगर आपको हाउस लोन लेना है, इन्वेस्टमेंट लोन लेना है, कार लोन लेना है, फॉरेन ट्रिप करनी है, बच्चे के लिए पढ़ाई की लोन चाहिए, कुछ भी चाहिए, आपको टैक्स रिटर्न्स चाहिए इन अ प्लेस. The country that I had studied from is in a high tax jurisdiction country, right? The marginal tax rate can go highest to 47%, including Medicare levy, surcharge, and all that things. Having said that, every person out there in the world would be what will make sure कि मेरा टैक्स कम हो. ठीक है. अभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में दो टर्म्स है, एक बोलते हैं टैक्स लीगल टैक्स प्लानिंग वर्सेस लीगल टैक्स अवॉइडेंस. Sorry, tax avoidance versus legal tax planning. So Harshali, answer your question as simple as that. If there is a client who has a very high income, then there are 10 ways in which you can convince the client that instead of getting an income from, as a sole trader or a sole proprietor or an individual with 47% marginal tax rate, maybe you want to set up a company and get a 25%, 25% tax rate, and both you and your husband and wife can become the director of the company. And फिर आप डिसाइड करो कि आपको कंपनी में से कितना पैसा उठाना है, डिविडेंड चाहिए कि वेजेस चाहिए, राइट? Simultaneously a family trust create कर सकते हैं, right? So to talk about technical way, Harshali, there are lot of accountants out there. If there is a client who directly approaches to you and tell you that, hey, this is what it is, just get me the good tax bill, I don't care, right? Then the accountants are there, they face a very heavy strict penalty and ethical loss if they choose to do something which is unethical. राइट? इंडिया में हम लोग, मुझे पता है, कोई भी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हमारा पैन नंबर लेके, पासवर्ड लेके इनकम टैक्स पोर्टल पे जाके टैक्स रिटर्न लॉन्च कर सकता है. ऐसा नहीं होता ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. अगर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मुझे वो करना है तो मुझे क्लाइंट का रिटन कॉन्सेंट चाहिए, एंड दे हैव टू फॉलो विद द कोड ऑफ एथिक्स एंड कोड ऑफ एथिक्स एंड ऑल दोस प्रिंसिपल्स. सो टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, अगर कोई मेरे पास आता है और मैं अगर कोई मेरे पास आता है और मैं आके उनको मुझे बोलते हैं कि मुझे ये चाहिए, तो ऑब्वियसली मैं देखूंगी ऑब्वियसली कि कैसे उनका डिडक्शन बढ़ा सकूं. वो अलग है कि मैंने होम ऑफिस का एक्सपेंस कुछ एडिशनल ऐड कर दिया, वो अलग बात है, वो अलग ही, वो तो हर जगह पे होता है, राइट? आपका इधर एटीसी, एटीसीसीडी, अगर आपका ये सब है तो आपको वो मिलेगा. वैसे वहां पे yes, you can increase the deductions to a certain level which are genuine and can be proved even in the absence of enough paperwork. बट अगर आप कुछ बोल रहे हो कि मेरी बहुत ही, मैं हाई इनकम में हूँ और हाई इनकम में मुझे पैसे बचाने हैं, तो फिर वो के चांसेस ज्यादा है कुछ ऐसा हुआ जिससे इनकम बढ़ गई जो पहले साल नहीं थी. तो फिर वी ऑलवेज रेकमेंड देम हैविंग अ लीगल टैक्स स्ट्रक्चर इन प्लेस which can help them, Now the only difference, अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो, राइट, इंडिया में आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को अलग से पैसे नहीं देंगे ये एडवाइस के लिए। तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट जब खुद टैक्स रिटर्न बनाता है तो वो ही दिमाग लगाता है, चलो ये कर लो वो कर लो। ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अगर आप ऑन शोर है, राइट, क्योंकि आपको लाइसेंस चाहिए, जैसे मैंने कहा, यू नीड टू बी अ चार्टर्ड टैक्स एडवाइजर टू डू एनी टैक्स प्लानिंग और स्ट्रेटेजिक डिसीजन। यू नीड टू हैव एन ऑस्ट्रेलियन फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज लाइसेंस इफ यू गिविंग एनी फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस लीगली टू द ऑस्ट्रेलियन ऑडियंसेस। ऑन शोर लोग उनको एडवाइजरी और कंसल्टेंसी के पैसे भी देते हैं। This high income earners, they are willing to give you, and I'm talking about them. I'm talking about boutique accountancy practices, right? You cannot compare them to the mid-size accountancy practices. So वोफा में जो भी लोग थे जिनके टेंट्स थे, एग्जीबिशन सेंटर्स थे, वो फिर भी बड़े प्लेयर्स है। मैं नॉर्मल प्लेयर्स की बात कर रही हूँ। एक बुटीक अकाउंटेंसी फर्म है, उनके पास 10 से 15 लोगों
हम्म,
का स्टाफ है। उनके पास भी ये काम आता कि वो लोग पैसे देने को तैयार है अगर आप वो वैल्यू जनरेशन क्रिएट कर, राइट। सो आंसर योर क्वेश्चन हर्षाली, वहां पे भी होता है, बट ये एक चीज है कि उसका रेशियो कम होता है करप्शन का, या आप बोलो करप्शन भी नहीं बोल सकते, बोल सकते हैं हम लोग के a good way of concealing the
it's
facts.
a
Corruption नहीं बोल सकते, good way of
yes.
concealing the facts. Obviously, if you do something which is ethically illegal, फिर तो उसके लॉज इधर भी बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है और वहां पे भी फिर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट।
In the chat box. Manisha, would you like to unmute yourself and ask this question, which is you have put in the chat box? Let's see. Okay. Her question is, I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
been running my own. Yeah, sure. Please.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, my question is that I have been running my own accounting practice in India since last 2 to 3 years, and now I want to grow my practice Australia bookkeeping and taxation. But I have currently no any practical experience, so I want to join any firm as a freelancer or as an intern, but no one allowed to me because all have the fear about it competitions. Then how can I get practical knowledge?
Right. So thank you so much, Manisha ji, and so nice to hear from you. Because just for the audiences, I have personally known Manisha ji. She has reached out to me recently on WhatsApp as well, and we
Yes,
are a good
ma'am.
connect as well. So good that I can hear you today. So you know, so there are a couple of things. Number one, number one is that definitely you need to get some hands-on experience. That is the must. मतलब उसके बिना कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता unless and until आपको hands-on experience हो. Opportunities are there, right? So I'll give you an example about how
I'm not able to hear me properly.
what we is everyone able to hear me properly?
Your voice is breaking in between.
Okay. Can everyone hear me properly?
Now fine, ma'am.
Okay, is
Yeah,
it fine? Okay,
it
perfect.
is
Yeah.
fine now.
So yes, so I was talking about that I have connected with Manisha before on the WhatsApp chat as well. So good to know more about her. Now coming to her question, definitely it's a must that you need to have work experience. Unless and until you have a work experience, it's of no use as such to provide services in any market, whether it's Australia, USA, or Europe. What we look into when we hire or engage people or professionals, right? I'll give you my recent
Ma'am,
example. So
your
we are a 5 to
voice is
7 people
breaking.
team. It's okay. My voice is breaking. Why is my voice breaking? Can everyone hear me? Is this better? Manisha, can you hear me? Is this better?
No, in between some foot breaking.
Manisha, can you hear me? Is this better?
Yes, ma'am.
Can everyone hear me? Is this better?
Yes. Yes, Vidhi,
Now
it is better.
see your video so that sometime I also face this problem. Then we will be able to hear you properly.
Right. Can you hear me better? Is this better?
Yeah.
Is everybody able to hear Vidhi properly?
Can everyone hear me better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So is this better, Manisha? Is it clear what I'm talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So my apologies, everyone. I'm actually on a short break with my family because today is a Easter break in Australia. So my family is we are in the hotel only, and there seems to be some network issue in the hotel here. So my apologies. But to answer, so let me reframe a little bit. So she gained some real world experience within Australian accounting. Uh, um, so to put it simply, we provide someone or we engage someone's services. Um, so again, voice breaking. Okay.
Keep your camera off, so I think it will be going to be good.
Okay, I will rejoin.
I'm also facing bandwidth issue. That's why I'm keeping my video on.
Yes, I think today we are facing आज सभी लोग छुट्टी पे हैं तो शायद सभी लोग आज नेटवर्क का ज्यादा यूज कर रहे हैं.
Yes,
Right.
maybe that.
Right. I think so. अभी मेरा आवाज काफी clear है. I've just used my
Yes,
phone
now
to
it
make
is
it
crystal clear.
Yes.
perfect.
Yeah.
So my apologies. But yes, coming back to the question that I got from Manisha ji. So her question was how can she get the required support and guidance from firms like myself or from firms who are very similar to myself and are into Australian market. So I was just explaining about what are some of the things that we look forward when we want to have people in our team. So we are a 1 year old startup who are around 5 to 7 people in my team. We do different types of services, which is bookkeeping, payroll, accounting, tax compliance, tax advisory. I do a lot of GST advisory as I'm an agent in Australia as well. I do travel a lot back and forth to Australia from Australia. I also travel across the globe to understand what the market is. So now talking based on these all factors, we or me as a solo founder, I'm always looking out for people, number one, to physically work from our office in Mumbai. Uh, you know, One of the reasons, to be very specific about it, is that I have built up an office space with an infrastructure which works as per the Australian data protection policy. So all our clientele have a contract in place which is very strict as per the Australian standards, which gives them the trust that yes, I am training or my work is being or their work and their data is being taken care properly. Because of which, number one, we are always looking for people who are physically located in Mumbai and are wanting to learn under my guidance in real time. Because unless and until आप एक टीम के साथ काम करते हो, अगर आप नए हो कोई फील्ड में, तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. बिकॉज फॉर मी or I would say anyone right now who is an entrepreneur and running a services business, it's lot of things in terms of I am the one managing the operations, I'm the one managing the marketing, I'm the client facing, I'm the USP. I've lived in Australia. People will trust my judgment. People want to see the face of it. I'm attending events. I'm here for this sessions. So then I'm looking for someone who my manager at Pinnacle Advisors is, she's with me for 8 years, 8 months now. So she makes sure that the whole workflow is taken care. She'll make sure that people are understanding. Alternate Saturdays we have training sessions in house. तो उससे एक हो जाता है that yes, we are okay with people working remotely, provided that person needs to have at least 1 year of experience, because
Initially, for any firm to be established, they are looking for a support which takes less of their time, because more than anything else, the time is of more value at this stage for any startup owners, I believe. With the possibility that we are a startup, so we cannot afford huge salaries, right? So to coming back to your question, we are always looking for some of the assistance, and once we believe that we have processes and systems in place which will help us to gain the confidence that people working remotely can work really well, which can benefit both Pinnacle advisors and then we definitely we look forward to having people work from home and not from office. But right now, the support that I believe in my independent capacity I can still provide is, uh, a lot of people are reaching out to me on WhatsApp in terms of guidance, in terms of understanding the market, in terms of getting opportunities. Please do send through your work profiles to me. Please do stay connected with me on LinkedIn. Keep on following me on LinkedIn. Keep on following on my WhatsApp statuses. We are always up with some of the new opportunity. And if there is an opportunity which allows me कि हाँ आप घर से काम कर सकते हो, then I would definitely be tapping on all the resources that I've built over a period of time, which is all of you attending the sessions here.
Thank you, ma'am.
So definitely stay in touch, Manisha, on WhatsApp. And in case if there is anything that comes my way, definitely, there would be opportunities. But in the meantime, what you can do is maybe you can locally work in those firms which provide you the opportunity of working from your main city. I believe you are based out of Gujarat, and Gujarat is the hub for outsourcing. You would find ample amount of opportunities there. So that is one way. In Ahmedabad or in Gujarat overall, there are firms who are offering work from home policy because they have established processes and systems in place, which we are still building as a startup. So that I believe is a good thing. Obviously zero certification आपने कर लिया है, वो अच्छी बात है. आप ऐसे बहुत सारे events पे आओ. Very soon I'm again going for an event wherein I'm going to take a lead on zero payroll. And I have data, I've worked as a tutor also when I was back in Australia. So you can attend those sessions. You can make notes of those sessions. You can go on YouTube and watch videos about what is Australian GST. If I want to get experience into Australian GST, then what all can you do? Do a lot of research, reach out to through your network in LinkedIn to a lot of people across India. बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स है जो ये कर रहे हैं और बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स है जो कंफर्टेबल है वर्क फ्रॉम होम के लिए. सो रीच आउट टू देम. Be very active on LinkedIn, create a very crisp, professional, to the point resume or work profile, and keep on being very proactive. One thing that has helped me when I was very early on in my career in Australia, मुझे जब 4 महीने हो गए थे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, तो मैंने लिटरली रिसर्च किया, 20 CA फर्म के नाम निकाले जो मेरे एरिया में थे, प्रिंट आउट्स निकाले रेज्यूमेस. वो रेज्यूमे प्रॉपर मैंने ऑस्ट्रेलियन एक्सपेक्टेशन के हिसाब से बना और मैं सब जगह पे चल के जाती थी. और मैं सब जगह पे वॉक इन करके बोलती थी, हेलो हाय आई एम एन ऑस्ट्रेलियन, सॉरी हाय आई एम एन ऑस्ट्रेलियन इंटरनेशनल, सॉरी Australian boutique accountancy practice operates or works. And that proactiveness helped me. So many people were like, hey, hi, आपके पास experience नहीं है. So many people were like, okay, ठीक है, आप resume दे दो, I'll get back to you. Some people were like, oh, we are not looking for someone. Some people won't even respond to you. They're like, okay, thank you. But then that's how I landed my first job. That person is like, why don't you come one day for trial? So I went for one day for trial. मैंने एक दिन ट्रायल पे काम किया without any money. मैंने काम किया and then I worked there for 6 months. तब मेरे local experience हो गया and then I got the job in another better reputed CA firm. So being proactive. आप Gujarat, I'm again telling you, I'm in Gujarat right now, and even though I'm in Surat right now, there are 5 people already from Surat whom I know who are interested in getting outsourcing work as well, right? So supply बहुत है India में. It's all about tapping to the right people at the right time and being ready with communication hai, resume hai, and all that things.
Ma'am, in Gujarat, Ahmedabad have so much opportunity, and I am from the Surat. And in Surat, I know 4 to 5 persons, and to whom I give already interview, but all are the reject because all have fear that if you are in the already into the practice, Indian practice, and if you join in my firm, then you get my client or my reference. But this type of work not good. So how can I
Correct.
get a practical experience? I have fear. I have that type in my mind, and I
Oh.
have a burning desire to learn
Mm.
in Australian accounting.
Correct. No, definitely. So like I said, what we can do is we can definitely stay in touch, Manisha, as well. In case if there is any opportunity that comes my way which I cannot take in, I'll definitely pass on to you in terms of that. Hey, I know a connect who's looking for someone like yourself. You know, maybe connect with him or her. So right now, from someone from Indore reached out to me and they are looking for someone like yourself, but again they're looking from someone for Indore. you know so again, Manisha, being proactive, asking questions, I think so that would really help. But I'll definitely keep you in mind, and if the requirement arises, then
Okay,
definitely I have your work profile with me.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
In similar line, Vishakha is also having question. The second part of our question is already answered by you. Vishakha, as you have mentioned, as experience you not having exposure in Australia, US, UK accounting, as rightly mentioned by Vidhi, being proactive. And as she gave her own example in initial part of her career, how she walked into those 20 firms. So that will help. The first part of our question is really how to learn Australian taxation. Can we learn without doing CPA Australia?
Kalpana, your voice was breaking. Would you mind if you can reframe it?
How to learn Australian taxation. Now it is audible.
Yes, it is. Yes.
How to learn Australian taxation. Can we learn it without doing CPA Australia?
Um, no, definitely you can learn. There are so many people I know who are not studying for CPA Australia. They're still doing it. Again, it's just as that कि जब तक आप लोग स्विमिंग पूल में जंप नहीं करोगे आप तैरना नहीं सीखोगे. You just have to work
Yes.
somewhere. उसका मतलब there is no मतलब आर्टिकलशिप आपने नहीं किया है तो आप कैसे समझ पाओगे क्या लॉ है जीएसटी का. अभी जीएसटी का आपने पढ़ भी लिया, आपने पेपर भी क्लियर कर लिया, बट एक्चुअली जब तक आप वो नो आप 11th को या 20th को वो टैक्स रिटर्न्स नहीं लॉन्च करते हैं. 11th को लॉन्च करने के लिए उसकी टर्मिनोलॉजी क्या है, वो टर्मिनोलॉजी में कैसे वर्क पेपर बनते हैं, वर्क पेपर के लिए कि फॉरेन एक्सचेंज को कैसे लेते हैं, रिवर्स चार्ज क्या है, आप जब तक नहीं करेंगे नहीं पता चलेगा. तो यस, विदाउट सीए सीपीए मैं बहुत लोगों को जानती हूँ जिन्होंने अहमदाबाद में, लाइक आई सेड अगेन बिकॉज अहमदाबाद में आई हैव बीन पर्सनली एंड आई नो सो मेनी पीपल एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देयर एम्प्लॉयज आर नॉर्मल ग्रेजुएट, नॉर्मल कॉमर्स ग्रेड है, और अभी उनको 5-5 7-7 साल का एक्सपीरियंस हो गया है ऑस्ट्रेलियन अकाउंटिंग में, यूके अकाउंटिंग में, टैक्स यूएस अकाउंटिंग में. दे आर नॉट क्वालिफाइड, यू डोंट नीड टू बी क्वालिफाइड, बट अगेन उनका विजन, उनका पर्पस क्या है, दे आर हैप्पी इन एम्प्लॉयमेंट, they are happy with what they are doing. So again, like I said initially कि आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको सीखना तो है, पर सीखने के बाद क्या चाहिए आपको, अगर सीखना है तो फिर what are you willing to let it go, to learn. And there are, trust me, I can tell you, अगर आप जाके अब गूगल करो, बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. All you have to do is be proactive, be out there.
I think she wants to know about the guidance, what the things where the books or anything or material we can read. Vishaka, am I correct? और if you could put some light on that कि कैसे लॉ होता है, जैसे हमारे यहाँ इनकम टैक्स एक्ट, तो हमें इनकम टैक्स एक्ट पढ़ना होता है, तो is there something we can read it out and get knowledge about that?
Mm-hmm. No, definitely. So in the same lines, I conducted few sessions again. We did it on introduction to Australian taxes. We in that it was a comprehensive talking about everything about the act in a very layman's language. We also had a session on zero payroll. We also had a session on basic payroll. So there are a lot of tutors out there. I'm happy. We can definitely talk it out with Kalpana if she's Kalpana ji. If she's happy, then we can also have a session wherein we can talk about the basics of Australian accounting. For people to just have guidance. I know few YouTube channels in which you can go and get your concepts clear. There is an Australian who has a YouTube channel, तो उसका auditing में भी एक अलग है, accounting में भी एक अलग है, tax में भी एक अलग है. ऑस्ट्रेलियन टैक्सेशन ऑफिस का एक आप अगर न्यूज़लेटर सब्सक्राइब करते हो तो वो लोग एवरी 10 दिन में एटलीस्ट एक तो ऐसा टेक्निकल सेशन पे वेबिनार करते हैं जिसके बारे में आपको यू कैन लर्न different things about Australia. Australian tax office का website बहुत comprehensive है. Definitely, Kalpana, what I would do is I would share it with everyone. I need to go through my history. There was someone who has asked the same question on YouTube. So definitely I can check out. There are many such channels as well. We can have this irrespective, like I said, that we can again keep on going on Google, watching videos, talking to people. You can also reach out to those people. I'll tell you that बहुत सारे employees हैं जो काम करते हैं Monday to Friday. वो लोग weekends पे tutoring भी कर रहे हैं. Right? I mean, I know so many of them. Maybe you can reach out to them on LinkedIn. कि आप मुझे क्योंकि आप काम कर रहे हो तो आप मुझे बता पाएंगे. Like I know so many people in Gujarat again, and they are like Monday to Friday they have a job and they do a freelancing job wherein they train people in a software, right? So again, yes, there is a cost for everything involved, but then again, what is your why? Right? वो सीखने के बाद आपको चाहिए तो फिर there are 100 ways like what you can do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your this session. Participant, do you have any questions? Kalpana ma'am, do want to share any thoughts, any question?
One last question. If Vidhi wants to share her biggest learning in her from her past experience, and now how she's approaching her future. One biggest takeaway for our participant, for us.
Oh, interesting. Not many people have come across this question. So recently, I was invited at the International Women's Day event in Australia at one of the universities, and they were closing this, and they said about one thing about something that women in general should apply. So as a woman out there, one learning I think personally, which is very different to accounting, is number one, ink. In generally, I'm talking about my experience. It doesn't has to be Indian woman or Australian woman or US American woman. I just feel that women generally सोचते this is enough. We always think that this is enough, right? If you're doing this, this is enough. I really want to tell to people out there, I was like, do not have that roadblocks for yourself that this is enough. Like every single day, I tell myself that this is not enough. अगर मुझे इसके बारे में इतना पता है तो मुझे और जानना है. So और हम लोग बहुत सारे पर वो रोड ब्लॉक्स बनाते हैं. अरे मैंने इतना तो अभी कर लिया है लाइफ में. I just want to rest. So I think so. It's just that you have to say that yes, maybe for many people it would be okay, yes, resting would be good for them. Everyone has different situations and circumstances, but I had on that panel women from Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Australia, and then I was representing India. And we all women across the world, they had this one common thing, who were CEOs of the companies, who had their practices, who were entrepreneurs, very similar to me in the startup phase. And all of them, they said that eventually down the line, we just think कि इतने में खुश है हम. Like क्यों खुश है? I only tell to people out there, which I tell to myself every day, I have to keep on improving every single day in my knowledge, in my perspective, in my exposure. And I need to pass it on to the other woman. The only reason I think I connected with Kalpana ji in the initial stage, when she reached out to me, was only that I have a community of women. And I was like, there needs to be more and more such conversations for one woman, for the other woman, more and more conversations. हमें अच्छा सोचना है एक दूसरे के बारे में. Like, I spoke to one person recently. She said, you're going out there and you're doing these webinars and all of them. There are so many competitors out there. Like, कितने लोग हैं आपके competitors है, right? I mean, like, वोफा में मुझे कितने सारे लोग आके बोलते थे, let's do something together. कुछ वेंचर में करते हैं. कुछ लोग ये भी बोल रहे थे, ओ व्हाट, मैं ऑस्ट्रेलियन अकाउंटिंग में हूँ, मे बी हम यूएस एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. सो द डिफरेंस इन माइंडसेट इज कि अगर मैं हर एक इंसान को कंपटीशन समझूंगी तो मैं किसी के साथ कोलैबोरेट नहीं कर पाऊंगी. कोलैबोरेशन का पॉइंट और मतलब यही है, स्पेशली वुमेन. मैं फिर से बता रही हूँ, अकाउंटिंग में अभी रेशियो चेंज हो रहा है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी इट्स मोर वुमेन एंड लेस मेन. नॉट बीइंग वेरी बायस्ड अबाउट मेन इन जनरल. Same, मैंने वोफा में देखा. I was thrilled the amount of women were there. Like, I was happy. And I was like, हम लोग एक दूसरे को हम क्या पहन रहे हैं, हम कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, हमारा बैकग्राउंड क्या है, हम मैरिड है, हम सिंगल है, हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हैं, हमें नहीं सोचना. हमें इतना ही सोचना है कि हम इंडियन हैं. वी हैव टू हेल्प पीपल. लाइक, आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी. मैं किसी को भी ये बोल रही हूँ, प्लीज मुझे कॉल कीजिए. यस, मैं 2 दिन के बाद रिप्लाई करूंगी, पर मैं डेफिनेटली करूंगी. डू कॉल मी, टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स, help another woman out there. Mentoring बहुत underrated है इंडिया में. I mentor, there is one NGO, and I mentor 2 underprivileged girls who are 17 years old in areas of communication and confidence, because I come from a background where I never thought I would go outside Mumbai. And today I've gone outside Australia and I feel I want to share it with people, right? Okay, not because, oh, I have it and you don't have it, but for the fact that think big, you know. घर में भी हम यही सोचते हैं कि अरे इतना खाना बचा है, मैं खा लूंगी. हम लोग घर में भी सोच, अरे इतनी जगह है, मैं रह लूंगी. अरे घर में भी हम लोग यही सोचते हैं, ओ नो, सबका हो जाए फिर. आई वाज लाइक, प्लीज डोंट कंसिडर कि हम वी नॉट बीइंग, we have to be considerate, we have to be around family. I love my family. Other than family, I have very less people in my life. But the point is that we always don't think that the potential we have. So one thing I keep on telling myself again and again, that I want to think big. I want to have everything possible. Yes, it's not possible. It is tiring, but don't think that this is enough. So that helps me. Like, I tell myself, okay, मेरा clarity ये है, मेरा vision ये है, पर मैं उसको tweak करते रहती हूँ. क्योंकि एक situations change होते हैं, market change होता है practically, financially, difficult है. So one thing is, don't think enough. Enough is not enough in today's world. And that enough is mentally, emotionally, and financially. We women needs to go out and tell people financially independent होना बहुत जरूरी है. Bare minimum होना बहुत जरूरी है. Yes, go with a mindset that I need to have bare minimum to run my entrepreneurship, but don't be enough. It's not enough. मेरा bare minimum हो गया, अभी मुझे आगे बढ़ना है. What is the next best that I can get for myself? So I think so. Yes, Kalpana ji, to be more precise, it's not money. I don't think it ever will be. But I think so. It's just, for me, entrepreneurial has told me or has taught me that you can have it all. Yes, it comes with a cost. You can have it all, and it's all about giving it back. Like, trust me, the amount of, we are a complete female member team, by the way, right now, right? I mean, yes, we have, few supports here and there who help us, but 5 core member team is all females. And वो लोग घर भी manage करते हैं, हम लोग, ये भी करते हैं. And I love it. I think my purpose for coming back to India has been solved, for the reason that now I'm giving back something, which is my purpose. So yes, to put it out there, enough is not enough. And at the same time, just seeing that, yes, you can put yourself out there first. Put yourself out there first. Enough is not enough. Trust me. In today's world, no. So this is what I keep on telling myself also, Kalpana ji.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vidhi. Enough is not enough. And we're definitely, together with us, our participants are going to take this learning with them.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
yes, Harshali.
Yes. Yeah. Enough is definitely not enough, and we are going to have a workshop with you if time permits and participants are really interested in that. I think we are good to conclude now the session. We are over the time.
Yes.
So, right? Yeah, I would like to invite again Kalpana ma'am to put a vote of thanks to you. And before vote of thanks, we are giving you an appreciation certificate for providing your precious time. You are on a holiday and with your family, and you are giving us time. So this is very appreciating for us.
Right.
Over to you,
Thank
Kalpana ma'am.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Vidhi. Am I audible properly?
Yes, yes. Thank you so
Yes.
much, Kalpana ji. Yes, you're audible.
So I still remember when you have mentioned that reach out to me. If I'll not reply on the same day, I'll reply. I'll ensure to reply in 2 days, and I can vouch it completely. And she'll not take 2 days. As soon as possible, she'll reach out, and very humble and down to earth person, ready to help the community, especially our community, the we. I'll say, I always mention this in our session. It's not about us, it's not about you, it's about we. Thank you so much, Vidhi. Few of the major highlight of the session is having the clarity. I'm sure all of those who have joined us from the very first minute of the session, they must be having the clarity what they need to do in terms of their outsourcing business, the inside the experience you have shared with us. And another thing is what is their USP that they will be looking for. In most of the question, we saw that worry when it comes to being a fresher or someone who is taking this work ahead for the initially. So yes, as Vidhi has rightly said, the another takeaway is knowing your USB, what special you are going to offer on the table, which is not offered by anyone else. And curiosity, that curious mind. I'm going to remember this, Vidhi, for sure. And this I'm going to apply in my training and coaching business as well, knocking out on the doors on the organization. Yes, someone will say yes, someone will say no, but koi to darwaza khulega.
Right.
And last but not the least, enough is not enough. Thank you so much, Vidhi. There is one wedding I and my family have to attend, but being delayed and attending this session, hearing you was completely worth. That's what the feeling I was getting at every single minute. Thank you so much to you for giving your valuable time and inputs. And thank you to all our participants bearing with us. Most of us, me and Vidhi, we were having technical glitch today. That's the reason I'm keeping my video off so that you can hear me properly. And today I was thinking that we are able to do it free. And it's because it's possible because speakers like Vidhi, they say yes. Isn't it, Harshali? Is this initiative is
Yes.
going? We today is our 48th episode, and we are able to do it successfully. It's our passion, and over and above that, our speakers are ready to do this for a good cause, for the growth and upliftment of our community. So thank you so much once again, Vidhi. Surely we will get in touch with you for the future sessions as you have discussed, you have mentioned during the session. Thank you so much. Thank you to Harshali and our core team members. Those are not here in their absentia. CA Sunita Rathod, CA Aishwarya, CA Jyoti Maru, and CA Gunjan. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Vidhi.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so much, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kalpana ji, for your kind words. Thank you for everyone who has stayed online. Also, thank you very much, Harshali, for hosting. And definitely, I think so. You should run for the marriage. I also coincidentally have to run for a marriage or for a wedding, so we'll run for that. But definitely, Kalpana, I'll get in touch with you after the session, and would be good to take it forward from there.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time. Thank you.